France. In Western Europe, encompasses medieval cities, alpine villages and Mediterranean beaches. Paris, its capital, is famed for its fashion houses, classical art museums including the Louvre, and monuments like the Eiffel Tower. The country is also renowned for its wines and sophisticated cuisine. Lascaux' ancient cave drawings, Lyon's Roman theatre and the vast Palace of Versailles attest to its rich history. Here's a look at the best places to visit in France. Before the video, please subscribe and turn on notifications. Number 1. Marseille. One of Europe's oldest cities in France's second largest city, Marseille, is a major Mediterranean seaport located off the southeast coast of France, boasting an idyllic climate. Roman ruins and medieval architecture. Marseille is also a working city with several universities and industries. At the core of Marseille is its old port, dominated by two historic forts. This bustling harbor is lined with waterfront cafes, shops and bars. One of Marseille's best natural attractions, the Carlock, are a series of small inlets with astonishing blue water and majestic limestone cliffs. Number 2. Lyon. The third largest city in the country. Lyon is located where the Rhône and Seine rivers join. Its strategic location has enabled it to attract merchants to the city. Ever since it was founded by the Romans in 43 BC, an orderly and sophisticated place, Renaissance buildings dot its streets. Lyon seamlessly mixes the new with the old with a rich cultural heritage that encompasses gastronomical lights and a fine architecture. Lyon Cathedral is one of the most impressive sights, and the old town is lovely to walk around. Make sure to try some of this sumptuous cuisine before you continue on your way. Number 3. Strasbourg. Capital of Alsace. Strasbourg has a stunning historical center and occupies a strategic setting on the west bank of Iran. Consequently, it has been fought over by France and Germany throughout its long history. Now, however, the glassy European Union buildings glitter in the sun and, along with the teeming student body, help to give a modern air to this ancient city. The Gothic cathedral is simply stunning to behold, as is the delightful La Petite France that is home to the old part of town. Number 4. Mont-Saint-Michel. Mont-Saint-Michel is a small tidal island located just off the coast of Normandy. A spectacular and well-preserved Norman Benedictine abbey of Saint-Michel stands at the peak of the rocky island, surrounded by the winding streets and convoluted architecture of the medieval town. A causeway connects the mainland with the island. Number 5. Palace of Versailles. The Palace of Versailles is frequently associated with Marie Antoinette. The French queen who was beheaded during the French Revolution. The royal palace started out as a hunting lodge in 1624 and became more ornate over the years. Located outside of Paris, their site is known for the Hall of Mirrors and beautiful gardens. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure that you on notifications so you will not miss any new videos.